Video is going to show you how to set up floors 4, 3, and 2. So if you look at mine, for floor 4, I chose to have setting and have a picture there. For floor 3, I chose to have just text. And floor 2, I chose to have a picture as well. If you choose to do a picture and you have pictures included, I would say to include it on floor 4 and 2 because it's already set up to handle pictures. If you have text, then put it on floor 3. That being said, if you have text for all 3 of these floors, that's fine. You're just going to have to look at the code a little bit more carefully. Here's what I mean. So when I go to my index.html, the first thing that you're going to want to do is for your floors, you're going to explain what your choice was for floor 4, 3, and 2. And if there's an explanation needed, you're going to put that in there. If there's no explanation needed, well, then you can get rid of this in a couple ways. First of all, you can just delete the sentence altogether. So if I get rid of that right there, and if I go to floor 4, if there's no explanation needed for it, well, then that's gone. Now, that being said, if you take a look here, these are all set up in a couple different ways. Floor 3 and 5 are set up similarly. Notice that their div style, so a div is a section, begins with this position relative, and then it goes into this div class section floor 3, and then any of the text I have in text floor like that. If you look at floor 4 and 2, they're set up with images. So they start with this div class background image 4, background image 2. Then they go to this caption, and then they go to the text there. If you look at the style.css for 4, 3, and 2, so 4 is already set up to get a picture. So you've just got to upload your picture and then put in your image there, change the height. If you wanted to, change the color and the font size of your text there. Same thing for 2. You put in your image there, change the parallax size, and then if you wanted to change the text color or size, it's set up there to do that. Okay. Now, that being said, floor 3 is different because it's like floor 5. You've got a section background, which is right here, and then you've got the text right here. So what you're going to need to do is, if you're going to need to change any one of these, like maybe for floor 2, you don't want to have an image. So then what you can do is just get rid of this. And now you've got it set up so that you can just start making your second floor, right? So like you've got your second floor ready to go. Now, the one thing that you might need to do for this is you might need to change the minimum height so that you've got your parallax size set up. Okay, so like floor 2, now I've got that larger size there. Okay, so again, you're going to have to look at the text or the code a little bit carefully and decide what you're looking to do for floors 4, 3, and 2. Let me know if I can help you with that. Again, use your developer tools. Look at your elements, like what things are you trying to adjust. P text floor 4. Okay, that's what I'm adjusting here. So use that as a resource as well.